Hey guys, Grace Repairs here. Sorry about the cell phone video, but this is all I got today. So I just wanted to do a quick update on the mini bike raffle. So here we have the little Rascal mini bike. It is up for raffle, and I just wanted to show you guys what the raffle is supporting. So as you can see, the mini bike is in Fire Department Museum. All right. Here is one of the antique fire trucks that the fire department has. And this raffle is helping us restore the fire truck that is back here, the 1921 American LaFrance. So the mini bike raffle is helping us restore, preserve this piece of fire apparatus. So the museum is still in the process of cleaning up and displaying all our vintage history. And this is what we're trying to restore. So we've come a long way with it, but we still need the funds to complete the preservation and get it complete and running again. So please guys, there's still plenty of spots left. We have about 50 spots left. We're trying to end the raffle on June 1st. So please like, subscribe, and have a good day, guys. Thank you for all your support.